This is the beautiful Newari village called Khokhana near Kathmandu Valley. And today it's a beautiful Saturday and the Taichin rice harvesting is going on. And this particular area is famous for the Taichin rice. And as you can see here, let's take a close up here. There are many of them who are today in their fields harvesting, and today together they'll enjoy meals, families come together, and it's a kind of a festival. So this is the beautiful scene and the beautiful process that's going on. As you can see here, many of them have already harvested, and they have actually taken out the grains, and the leftover is dried here. Beautiful.